Hey there, it's Miss Guy. Welcome to SOC 210, or Introduction to Sociology. I'm so excited to have you this semester, and I hope you're getting ready and getting geared up for a great semester that will start on Monday. What you are seeing right now on your screen is, in fact, our Moodle page, which you will have to use all the time since this is an online course. However, you are not able to see it yet. So if you are watching this video through my welcome email, you are going to be able to see our Moodle page. You just will not be able to access it until classes officially start on Monday. If you need to return to this video at any time, here's the link right here in the top of the page. The next link in the top of the page is the course syllabus. Make sure at some point on Monday when you have the option to access this, that you take some time and read through this course syllabus. There's a lot of important information, and I will try to review some of it with you in this video. Paying close attention to the required textbook items, the way that we will be grading this semester, the attendance policy of this course and the institution, and the late work policy. So take some time, review that course syllabus. And then another important linked document in the top of the course is the due dates or the deadlines for the semester. This is a piece of paper that you could print out and put in a binder, or you could use and write things down on your calendar. But the most simple explanation here is for you to know every Monday night there is a deadline. All right, moving down the page, we are going to see a few other items listed here. So a reminder that I will always send you an email about each session's work, and I will always post a video that explains to you what you should be doing each week. If you have not read my if you have not read my email or watched my video for that particular session, I would not suggest that you start working until you do. There's a few other helpful links here as well. Here's an Ask Miss Guy discussion board. You can use that, or you can reach out to me directly. Just understand if you use the discussion board, everyone can see. So if you have specific questions, you can email me directly. And then there's a link here that shows you how to access your grade book. So once grades start coming in, you will know exactly where you stand in the course. All right, getting started. On Monday morning, you will need to complete an enrollment verification activity. This is essentially marking your very first attendance in this course. You will click on this gray bar that says enrollment verification activity, and you'll see I'm clicking, and it's opening and closing that particular section. So the first thing you will do is click on this link here entitled Enrollment Verification Activity. It's a very simple activity with a couple of questions. You're going to answer those questions, and they're very simple, such as, have you read the course syllabus? Once you get to the end of those questions, it's going to toss you into the Nash Community College online orientation course. This is a really quick tutorial that will show you how to use Moodle. Once you get to the end of that tutorial, it will provide you a certificate of completion. This just shows that you have gone through the enrollment verification activity and you've gone through the orientation course and you are ready to begin your time in Moodle. So you are going to upload the certificate in this submission link. Now, if you're thinking, well, I don't really know how to do all of that, don't worry. You're going to learn all of that through that Nash Community College online orientation course. Once you deposit your online orientation certificate into this link, the rest of the course will open up for you, and you will then be able to see your textbook and course information section and your session 1. If you took courses in the fall semester at Nash Community College, you are allowed to use your certificate of completion from the fall in this link. You just need to verify that your certificate says 2022 to 2023, and then you can use it there. All right, moving into the textbook information. Let me be super clear with you that you need to go ahead and purchase the access code for this textbook. I am not scheduling anything for session 1 to be used with the textbook, but starting in session 2, we jump in with 2 feet. So you need to go ahead and purchase the access to the e-textbook. It is an entire system that has textbook information and quizzes that are part of your course grade. You cannot pass this course without having access to this e-textbook system. So go ahead and purchase. You can purchase directly from this invitation link posted here, or you can go to Nash Community College's bookstore and purchase there, and they will provide you with an access code. It's the same price either way, so whatever is most convenient for you. Once you get through this textbook information area and you jump on to this invitation link, you will be asked to set up an account with Pearson Revel. Please make sure that you use your Nash Community College student email address when you are setting up this particular sign-in information. That just makes it easier for us and for you if you ever have issues, because we can exactly tell who is who on the back end. So just keep in mind that this is of high importance for you to get done as quickly as possible. And once you are finished looking at this information, you will then be able to access Unit 1, Session 1. So Session 1 is going to come to you on Monday. There is going to be another email that comes to you explaining Session 1, and there will also be a directions video for you to watch in Session 1. I just want to point out to you the deadlines for these sessions and just tell you very quickly, please go ahead and carve out some time in your week to devote to sociology. The deadlines are no later than 11:55 p.m. on Monday nights, and that is because at the stroke of 11:55 p.m., links close. So you will not be able to submit items if the deadline passes. So make sure that you are working ahead of deadlines. Don't wait until Monday to get your work done. Just because that's the final moment or the final day for you to submit doesn't mean that's the day you need to be working. So hopefully I've given you enough time throughout the weekend to get things done, and then that way if you have questions we can follow up on Monday morning, and then you'll still have time to get everything submitted before the deadline on Monday night. If you have any questions or concerns as you are getting started in the class, I want you to feel free to email me immediately. I am here to help you, but if you're not telling me that you're confused or you're not really sure or you have questions, then I don't know that you need my help. It is my job to assist you in being successful in this course, so I want you to know it is your job to let me know when you need my help. Don't ever hesitate to email me. You can email me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I may not always be sitting right there ready to respond to you, but your email will never bother me. I have students that say, oh, I didn't email you because I thought you might be asleep. Don't worry about that. It's going to come to my phone. It's not going to make a ding. I will answer you as soon as I can. I hope that you enjoyed the last few days before the semester starts. I hope that this video was helpful in getting you prepared and ready for Monday to come. And I look forward to working with you this semester.